This is how to log in to Infinite Campus if you've never logged in before. First, go to our district website. That's www.harrelson.k12.ga.us. On the right-hand side of the page, you'll see a whole bunch, like about 4 or 5 squares. Click on the one that says I see. You have a choice between campus student and campus parent. You are a campus parent. Click on that. If you've never logged into Infinite Campus, the first thing you have to do is get an activation key. On the right-hand side of the page, the first step says, if you do not have an activation key, click here. Once you click there, you put in the last 4 digits of any of your children's socials and then their birth date. My child that I created was born between 2000 and 2009. He was born in 2007 in July 4th, 2007. Once those are in, click Submit. You can see that I already have a username, so it'll give me my username. But the husband that I created doesn't have a username. This is his activation key. So I'm going to highlight that and copy it. Then I'm going to go back to Campus Parent and click on New User. Put in the activation key that I just copied and click Submit. It's going to ask me to create a username. And a password. Make sure that I create a password where the password strength is 100%. And then I click Submit. I have successfully created my campus account, so I click Back to Login, where I put in the username and password I just created and log in. It's going to ask for a security email. The reason for this is if I forget my password, I can use that to reset it. Now, I'm logged into Infinite Campus. To see both of my children, I click on Today, and I can toggle between both children on the right. I can see their calendar, their assignments, their grades, their attendance, their schedule, and under Documents, I can see their report cards. And this is how you log in to Infinite Campus. Thank you.